Welcome to Quick Knowledge. In this video, you'll discover the most amazing facts about space, all in one place. Think the moon is close? Not really, it's about 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. Now here's the mind-blowing part. You could fit every planet in our solar system, side by side, in that space. And there would still be room left over. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Even giant Jupiter fits with the others, and it's bigger than all of them combined. It really puts things into perspective, doesn't it? Next time you look at the moon, imagine all the planets lined up in that gap. It's a whole solar system between you and that bright light in the sky. Did you know? A single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Venus rotates so slowly, it takes 243 Earth days to complete just one spin on its axis. But it orbits the sun faster, completing a full orbit in just 225 Earth days. So technically, a day on Venus is longer than its year. The universe always has weird surprises. Imagine crushing Mount Everest into a sugar cube. That's what a neutron star is like. These stars are born when massive stars explode in a supernova and collapse under gravity. The result? A star just 20 kilometers wide, but so dense that 1 teaspoon of it weighs about 4 billion tons. That's heavier than every person on Earth combined, packed into a spoon. They're so extreme, their gravity bends light, and their surface is harder than steel. Some even spin hundreds of times per second, shooting out radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. Tiny, deadly, and mind-blowing. That's a neutron star. Did Earth once have 2 moons? Some scientists think so. According to a popular theory, billions of years ago Earth had a second, smaller moon orbiting alongside the one we know today. But over time, that smaller moon collided with the larger one. The impact didn't destroy the main moon. Instead, it may have reshaped it. That could explain why the far side of the moon is so different. It's more mountainous and rugged than the near side. This idea is called the Big Splat theory, and it's still being studied today. It's one of many mysteries hiding in plain sight in our sky. Imagine looking up and seeing 2 moons instead of 1. You know astronauts actually get taller in space? When they leave Earth's gravity, their spines stretch out, sometimes by as much as 2 inches. Here's why. On Earth, gravity compresses your spine every day. Your discs stay squeezed between your vertebrae. But in space, with zero gravity, the pressure is gone, and your spine naturally expands. It's like taking the weight off a spring. This effect is temporary, though. Once astronauts return to Earth, gravity pulls everything back down, and they shrink to normal in a few days. Still, it's a cool side effect of space travel, growing taller without doing anything. Space doesn't just change your view, it changes your height. Can a planet float? Sounds crazy, but Saturn actually could, even though it's the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is mostly made of gas, not rock. It has a very low density and lower than water. If you could find a giant enough bathtub, Saturn would float like a beach ball. Its rings look heavy, but they're mostly ice and dust. Saturn may be huge, but it's basically a giant gas balloon with a tiny solid core. You'd never be able to stand on it. You'd fall right through its clouds. So yes, in theory, Saturn could float on water. Think volcanoes only exist on hot planets? Think again. Pluto has ice volcanoes. NASA's New Horizons mission spotted strange mounds on Pluto's surface. Some of them are hundreds of kilometers wide. But they're not spewing lava. They erupt slushy water, ice, and ammonia, shaping Pluto's icy crust. Scientists believe these cryovolcanoes may be geologically active, meaning Pluto isn't as dead as we thought. It's cold, dark, and distant. But Pluto still has a wild, mysterious story. Uranus is one strange planet. Unlike every other planet in our solar system, Uranus spins on its side. Its axis is tilted 98 degrees, meaning it basically rolls around the sun. Seasons on Uranus? They last 21 years each because of this extreme tilt. Scientists think a giant collision knocked Uranus over billions of years ago. Its moons and rings? They orbit sideways too. So while Earth spins like a top, Uranus spins like a rolling ball. Imagine a planet where the skies are blue, but the wind blows at 5,000 miles per hour. And it rains glass, sideways. This is HD 189733b, a massive exoplanet 64, light-years from Earth. Its atmosphere is full of silicate particles, which condense into glass shards in the heat. Then, Hurricane-force winds fling the glass across the surface. The planet's blue color comes from this deadly mix in its sky, not from water like Earth, so it may look beautiful. But this is one alien world you'll want to admire from very, very far away. There are billions of stars in our galaxy, many with planets like Earth. So where are the aliens? This is the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. If life is common and space is so old, we should have seen signs by now. Messages, probes, or even visits. But instead, we get complete silence. No signals, no ships, no contact. Some theories say we're the first intelligent life. Others say advanced civilizations are avoiding us. Or maybe they destroyed themselves before getting far. Worst case, we're just not interesting enough. Or they're watching, and we don't even know it. Imagine a world where the rain isn't water. It's liquid metal. Welcome to WASP 76b, an exoplanet located over 640 light-years away from Earth. This planet is so close to its star. Its day side reaches 2400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize metals. Iron turns to gas in the blistering heat. Then, strong winds blow it to the cooler night side of the planet, and there it condenses and rains down as molten iron. Yes, iron rain, like something from a sci-fi nightmare. And the winds? They howl at over 18,000 km/h. WASP 76b isn't just another hot planet. It's one of the most extreme and dangerous worlds ever discovered. Think the Grand Canyon is huge? Now imagine something over 4,000 kilometers long. That's Valles Marineris on Mars, the largest canyon in the entire solar system. It stretches the same distance as New York to Los Angeles and dives as deep as 7 kilometers. That's up to 10 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. Scientists believe it formed from tectonic forces that cracked Mars's surface, not erosion by water. It's so massive the Grand Canyon could fit inside it multiple times. Seen from space, it looks like a giant scar across the Martian surface. Some parts may have even held liquid water in the ancient past. If humans ever walk on Mars, Valles Marineris would be one of the most awe-inspiring places to explore. If you like this journey through space, hit that like button and subscribe for more.